During the fall and winter months, we tend to do a lot more entertaining. I'm going to show you some elegant things you can do to create a tablescape from items you can collect from nature. I'm going to turn the apples that we've collected into candle holders. To do that, I'm going to take our tea lights and I'm going to take the lip of that and press it into the top of the apple to create an impression. And from there, I'm going to take our paring knife. Now you take the tip of the paring knife and you gently carve out along the line that the impression has made. You pop off that top and then take a small spoon and carve out enough space so that we can set the tea light right in there. You really want to scrape down the sides to create enough distance so that it fits nice and snugly. You can test it. It fits pretty well. Give it a good press so it's snug. Pop these in there. And there you have it. Now I'm going to go outside with my gold spray paint and we're going to decorate the other things we've collected. Remember, you're not limited to these ingredients. Think creatively about what you have in your own yard. For more modern pioneering tips, like this video and subscribe to my channel.